this video, we will see how to uninstall software applications from Windows 10. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. We can uninstall application in Windows 10 in 3 different ways. First method. Click on Windows Start button and then Next Browse and select the application that you wish to uninstall and right-click on it. Next, click Uninstall and continue by selecting the application on this page and clicking Uninstall tab on the top. Second method. The classic old way of uninstalling application. We can search for Control Panel. Again in Control Panel, click Uninstall a program and continue the process to uninstall the application from a computer by selecting the application on this page and clicking Uninstall tab at the top. Third method is clicking the settings icon here. And next we need to click System and Apps section in older Windows 10 version or Apps section in Viewer version. Next, on the right side of Apps screen, select the application and continue uninstall process until you get a confirmation of the application uninstallation. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please like and share the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.